In this video, I'm discussing my top 3 tips to find the best candidates. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So my first tip to finding the best candidates is to leverage your network. Now, depending on who you talk to, the definition of network can mean so many different things. For me, network means those individuals who are going to be within your sphere of influence. So in terms of networking within your sphere of influence, these are going to be the individuals that you know personally. So family, friends, prior coworkers, hairstylists. Definitely think outside of the box when you're thinking about those individuals who are within your sphere of influence. The important thing to note is that all of these people have their own sphere of influence, so you never know who they know, and those individuals that they know may be looking for a job that's a perfect fit for the requisitions that you're looking to fill. And speaking of network, if you have not gone down below and subscribed to my channel already, then be sure to go ahead and do that, as well as be sure to hit that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Now, tip number 2 is going to be associated with LinkedIn. And if you're using LinkedIn to look for candidates and you have not gone ahead and got the paid version of LinkedIn, then that's okay. My second tip is for you to use Boolean Strings in order to be able to find candidates. Now, typically the paid version of LinkedIn offers advanced filters that work very similar to Boolean Strings, but if you're just starting out and trying to keep your expenses low, then this is going to be a great alternative for you. Now, I could do a whole video on Boolean Strings because it is an extensive topic, and actually that is a good idea. Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in me doing a video on Boolean Strings, then comment Boolean below. Anyways, a Boolean string is essentially a way for you to narrow your search. That way you can find candidates that you're looking for that directly fit the requisition that you're looking to fill. And a string can range from being extremely simple to very complex. Let's quickly go through a rough example. Let's say that you're looking for a content writer or content creator to fill an open role that you have. Well, you can use a Boolean string to narrow your search within LinkedIn so that you're only pulling candidates who fit the criteria that you're looking for. And here's a quick demo of what this actually looks like in LinkedIn. And it's also important to note that the quotations just mean that you're looking for that exact term. And as you can see with our string here, it's pulled up all of these individuals who do fit that description in terms of a content writer or creator. And the cool thing is that you're not limited to just these terms. You can actually add location as well. So Boolean strings can be super helpful in terms of you being able to conduct a targeted search to find the best candidates that are out there. Now, if you found these tips to be helpful so far, then be sure to join my Facebook group. I'll leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Now, my third and final tip for you is to actually leverage Facebook groups in order to find candidates. There are many groups out there that actually serve the same purpose as a job board. Candidates can make posts about jobs that they're looking for, and recruiters can also make posts about jobs that they're looking to fill. It creates a really great win-win situation for everybody when it comes to Facebook groups. And if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, then here's a few Facebook groups that I tend to reference. Keep in mind that there's thousands out there, so this is just a small segment of what's available via Facebook. Well, I hope you found this content to be helpful. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up before this video concludes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.